When it comes to versatility and convenience in the kitchen, this Presto 06858 16-inch Slimline Electric Skillet takes center stage. This electric skillet isn't just a one-trick pony, it's a multifunctional marvel that serves up everything from a quick breakfast to a family-sized dinner with ease. Whether you're an experienced home chef or just looking for a reliable, user-friendly appliance to help simplify your cooking routine, this skillet is worth your attention. Why you should consider the Presto Electric Skillet. The Presto 16-inch Slimline Electric Skillet is the ultimate solution for anyone who loves to cook but doesn't want to deal with multiple pots and pans. Here's why this skillet is an ideal choice for your kitchen. 1. Incredible versatility. From frying and grilling to roasting and baking, this skillet can do it all. Whether you're preparing breakfast or dinner, the Presto Electric Skillet will rise to the occasion. 2. Space-saving design. Its low-profile design and ample capacity make it perfect for those with limited kitchen space but a desire for big, family-sized meals. 3. Nonstick ceramic surface. Say goodbye to food sticking to your pan. The PFAS-free nonstick ceramic surface makes cooking and cleaning easier than ever. 4. Easy storage and cleanup. The ability to remove the heat control and fully immerse the skillet in water makes cleanup a breeze, while its low-profile design saves valuable storage space. Number 5. Durable construction. Made with cast aluminum, the skillet is virtually warp-proof, ensuring you'll get years of reliable use. Key features and benefits of the Presto Slimline Electric Skillet. 1. Versatile cooking capabilities. The Presto Electric Skillet is more than just a skillet. It's an all-in-one cooking machine that excels at multiple cooking techniques. With the ability to roast, fry, grill, stew, and bake, this skillet offers exceptional flexibility in preparing a wide variety of dishes. Imagine cooking everything from breakfast potatoes and scrambled eggs to hearty casseroles and sizzling fajitas, all in one place, with minimal mess. 2. 16-inch jumbo size with high sidewalls. One of the standout features of the Presto Electric Skillet is its 16-inch size, which is perfect for large servings. If you're often preparing meals for a hungry crowd, the spacious cooking surface is a blessing. The skillet's high sidewalls make it possible to cook extra-large batches without worrying about food spilling over the sides. 3. Low-profile design for space-saving storage. Unlike bulky, traditional electric skillets, the Presto Electric Skillet features a low-profile design, which makes it an ideal space-saving solution for kitchens with limited storage. It's perfect for those who don't have the luxury of a large pantry or counter space but still want the benefits of an electric skillet. 4. PFAS-free ceramic nonstick surface. Another standout feature of the Presto Electric Skillet is its PFAS-free ceramic nonstick surface, which is both inside and out. This provides stick-free cooking, so your food slides off the skillet effortlessly, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free cooking experience. The ceramic coating also makes cleanup incredibly easy. Simply wipe down the surface after cooking, and you're good to go. 5. Adjustable heat control for precise cooking. The Adjustable Control Master Heat Control lets you set the perfect cooking temperature for your meal. Whether you're simmering a stew, frying potatoes, or searing a steak, having the ability to adjust the heat ensures that your food is cooked exactly the way you want it. 6. Durable and easy to clean. The heavy cast aluminum construction of the Presto Electric Skillet ensures that the pan is warp-proof, even with regular use. This durable material is built to last, making it a great investment for anyone looking for a long-term solution in their kitchen. 7. Stay Cool glass cover. The tempered glass cover with a Stay Cool handle adds an extra layer of safety and convenience. The glass cover allows you to monitor the cooking process without lifting the lid, helping retain heat and moisture inside the pan. The Stay Cool handle ensures that you can safely lift the lid without risk of burning your hands. Conclusion. Is the Presto 16-inch Slimline Electric Skillet worth it? For anyone who loves to cook or needs a reliable kitchen appliance that can handle various cooking methods, the Presto Electric Skillet is a fantastic choice. Its large capacity, versatility, and ease of use make it perfect for busy families, casual cooks, or anyone looking to streamline their cooking process. With a PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating, adjustable temperature control, and durable design, this skillet delivers on both performance and convenience. If you're looking for a versatile, space-saving, and easy-to-clean skillet, the Presto 16-inch Slimline Electric Skillet is a great investment for your kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.